If you are transitioning from any other AI platform to Claude, there's one quick thing you should do to help familiarize Claude with you as a user. So I'm going to show you how to do this really quick. It's going to save you a lot of time and just speed up that process of transitioning from one AI to another. So let's get started. I have the paid version of Claude, and I have not tried this on the unpaid version. So if you have the $20 a month subscription, this is 2026. I don't know how much it'll be in the future, but this is what you can do, and it's super awesome. So go over to the bottom left-hand corner here where it has your initials. You're going to hit that and then go up to Settings. Under Settings, you're going to go to Capabilities. Then you're going to go to this little area here called Import Memory from Other AI Providers. It will give you the prompt you need. So check it out. We're going to start import, and here it's got a prompt for me to copy and to paste into ChatGPT, which is the AI that I previously used and that knows me pretty well. So I'm going to just paste that prompt in, send it over, and this should take a little bit. It's going to write everything it knows about me and that it has saved about me down, so I can copy it and paste it into this little box here. So I'm just going to wait for it to finish, and when it's all done, we'll move forward. Okay, great. So we've got everything here. All I'm going to do is copy it by just hitting that little button there and paste it into that field and then add to memory. This takes a few minutes to update because I've got a lot of information. And when this is all set, I'll show you how to check that it worked. Okay, so it updated, and I can check that by going to Manage Edits. And here it has the edit that I just copy and pasted in. So any of your edits, you can check if they worked by just going into that Manage Edit section. You can clear them all at once if you hit that button, or you can just clear a certain edit by just hitting the garbage can next to it. So if I had more edits, they would all show up separately with separate garbage cans, and that's it. So we know it worked. I can go back to memory. I can X out here, and if you ever need to update it again, just remember, start import. If you work with other AI providers, go to Gemini, go to Grok, whatever the heck you use, and get that data, because the more data, the better, as we all know with AI. So thank you guys for watching. If you found this useful, check out my playlist in Claude where I have more tips and tricks, and give me a like.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.